You need a passion about what you're doing and an ownership to what you're doing. I came to Aker BP 6 years ago when we had just started the FEED for the Ivar Aasen project. We have a target of being able to produce a barrel of oil down to $7 a barrel. At the time, we were very, very few people. We had done a lot of exploration. We had a lot of geologists and petroleum technology people. But on the technical disciplines, in process, in electrical, in automation, we had never built anything before. We said that we're gonna make data available everywhere, regardless of location. We said that we're gonna build a control room onshore, where we are able to operate the Ivar Aasen field, even if the platform is totally manned all the time. And also offshore will always have the opportunity to take over if needed. It's a new way of thinking. The hype for the time being is digitalization in all industries and all branches, I think. And for Ivar Aasen, I think we started before the hype was out there. But digitalization gives opportunities for hiring more people. You need to look for different qualities and different skills in people when you are being more and more data-driven. The main use of the room up until now has been training of the operators. If you just dump an operator at a desk offshore and that is the first time he looks at it, then you will have a big problem. So you need to train your operators, teach them the system, how it's working. It has been very good training in here because the environment is so similar to what they meet out there. You didn't have a lot of people to rely on in the base organization. So when you build a platform, it has an expected lifetime of maybe 20, 30 years. So the partners that you select, they need to be long-term partners. They need to be there tomorrow as well.